Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong month of May. Okay, so let's see kung ano bang meron energies coming in general and in love for you, Libra placements. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Kung hindi mahanap yung mga link, yung mga FB page nila, message lang po kayo sa amin, okay? And don't forget to follow and subscribe yung atin pong dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below kung ikaw ay nanonood ngayon sa YT. Okay? And yung ating mga items. So, Evil Eye Protection, meron tayo. Evil Eye Protection, we have ring. This is adjustable, by the way. Ring, necklace, bracelets. Okay, so dalawa yung bracelets natin. Isang adjustable, isang garterized. Okay, yung adjustable is available in red strings. And ito yung merong initial na inilalagay kami, ha? Yung initial po nung magmamayari. So, yes. And yung ating necklace. So, si necklace is unisex. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and merong extenders yung kanyang chain. So, pwedeng mapahabaan, pwedeng mapaiklian. Pero, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. And yung ating love bracelet. This is for connections. Okay? Love bracelet. So, pwede sa single, pwede sa may mga kapareha na, lalo na yung may mga conflict. Yan, pwede sa ito. Okay? Samahan mo ng Evil Eye. Okay? Kapag meron kang ganito. Ganon rin si Granter. Kasamahan mo ng Evil Eye. Anyway, this is made to order. Si Granter necklace. This is nag-grant na mga minamanifest mo. Siya yung nag-grant, ha? And kung hindi pa ready, yung iyong minamanifest, hindi pa ka-frequency, I mean, hindi mo ka-frequency yung minamanifest mo, hindi pwede yun eh. Oo. So, sabihin natin, may iba siyang ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? May iba siyang ibibigay. Yung pareho lang kung anong meron sa frequency mo. Okay? So, parang surprise. Parang ganyan. So, this is unisex. Si Granter. So, ganyan siya. Front and back. Para siyang may glass. Okay? Maganda to sa personal. Anyway, so, yung atin namang pang cord cutting. So, pagkakat ng mga hindi na kailangang energies na nakapit pa sa energy mo. Kaya nakaka-apekto sa mga ginagawa mo everyday, sa energy mo, parang nakakalobat, nakaka-drain, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? And siya yung din magsisilbing harang mula dun sa mga gusto pang humawak sa energy mo. I mean, kumapit, no? So, there. Pasensya na ha sa aking boses. Oo. Anyway, so Libra. Oo nga pala. Palala ko. Kung kayo po ay magpa-purchase, no? And ipangre-regalo, pwede po yun. Basta ang ibibigay nyong name is yung pagbibigyan. Okay po, yung pagbibigyan. Pagre-regaluhan nyo, parang ganyan. Okay. Kasi matik, kung hindi kayo magsasabi ng name ng inyong pagreregaluhan sa pangalan ninyo namin, okay, babanggitin yung mga ipapurchase ninyo. Okay, so, Libra, what's for you in general? Libra placements. Libra placements in general, what's for you this month of May? Okay. Strength. Standing on your ground, being ready. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong matututo na maghigpit this May. Ikaw itong matututong maghigpit or mag-rule if ever. Kung anong sasabihin mo yun, something like that. Some of you, matututo kang maging matigas. Oo. Kasi some of us, no, Libra, some of you, may chance na talagang soft-hearted. No? Oo. Anyway, what's with the strength? Judgment. Yes. Told you. Sa mga decision na pwedeng mangyari this May, ikaw itong may mga paninindigan ang gagawin. Okay? May mga kailangan ka ng gawing paninindigan. Kahit sabihin nating nag-iisip ka ng ganto, ganyan, sasabihin niya sa akin kung aayaw ako or what. Kung hindi ako, ganto, ganyan, ganyan. It's like, okay, enough with that. Matututo ka ng humindi this May. Okay? Para rin sa'yo eh. Para rin sa'yo. I think. Okay? Some of you, hindi na ikaw itong, nagiging open pagdating sa mga opinion ng ibang tao. Like, I mean, hindi open pagdating sa, sabihin natin, magiging emotional. Okay? Okay, sige, magsabi ka whatsoever. Parang ganon. Pero, hindi ko yan dadamdamin. Parang ganon eh. It's like, yeah, mas magiging strong ka na this May. That's nice, no? Some of us, kailangan din natin ng ganon. Hindi yung palaging bigay, oo, parang ganyan eh, sige, mga ganyang bagay, no? So, ikaw ba? Gusto mo ba ng ganon? Gusto mo ba na may mangyari ng pagbabago? Say yes. No, claim mo, oo. And comment mo, yes, gusto ko nun. Yeah. What else for Libra? King of Wands. The Magician in reversed. Parang meron ditong namamatay ang spark, flame sa isang passion. Page of Swords in reversed. Five of Wands. What's with this Magician in reversed? Yeah, the Chariot in reversed. Some of you, meron kayong parang ititigil. Or hindi susubukan. Or hindi itutuloy ngayong May. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Meron kayong mga gustong subukan, pero parang hindi matutuloy, pwedeng madidelay, mapipending. Some of you, meron kayong sinimulan eh. Pero bakit ganito, parang hindi ko na nakikita na parang natuloy or nagagawa. Well, anyway, kung ano man to, may chance na sabihin nating parang gusto lang munang maglaylo or parang gusto munang magpahinga, bawasan yung mga ginagawa, parang ganyan. Pero, yeah, babalik at babalik rin. Okay? Excuse me. So, what else? Pasensya na po ha. Ako'y inuubo pa rin. Yeah. Kaunti na lang. Hindi na tulad dati. Oo. So, what else? Libra. Somebody's manifesting you. Could be a Cancerian, Sagittarius, Virgo. They're manifesting you. I don't know kung bakit. They're manifesting you. Some of you, you block them. Or energetically, you block this person. They're manifesting you. What else for Libra? This May. Six of Swords. New plans. Okay. New direction. The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you specifically, may mga pupuntahan, oo, para makapag-relax sa mga ginagawa everyday, lalo na sa work. Okay? Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Some of you, kinakailangan mo ng parang time freeze. Oo, mula sa mga ginagawa mo everyday, mula sa mga pinagkakaabalahan mo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Eight of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? Ace of Cups. Yeah, I think this is like self-love, self-care. Yeah. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. It's like, energy ng recharge. Kailangan mo na bang mag-recharge? Are you, feeling drained? Some of you, strength is here. Feeling drained. Like, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally drained. So, you have to, kahit papano, ay umagwat-agwat, no, muna sa mga sabihin nating stressful na mga nangyayari sa inyo. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, the Seven of Wands. Yeah, may paggastos pero actually this is for you. Okay? The Ace of Cups, that is self-love. Self-care. Tinan nyo. Naglalagay siya sa sarili niyang cup. Okay? So, kung makikita natin, pag cups, lagi na lang may naabot, 'di ba? Lagi na lang may kasama, pero ito hindi. Pouring love sa sarili mong cup. Okay? So, yeah, for me, that's nice. Travel, some of you, if you need to travel, to unwind, mga ganong bagay. Yeah, okay? So, there. Hindi namang masama. Okay. So, let's see. Doon naman tayo sa... may angel number ka. 222. So, what's for you naman in love, mga Libra? What's for you in love? What is for you in love this month of May? Libra placements. Libra. Libra. In love. Anong situation meron ang mga magaganap? The Fool in reversed. Four of Wands. Oh, this is nice. So, this is entering a new chapter. Okay? Entering a new chapter. Hindi ko nakikitang cycle to or repeat. Some of you, ikaw talaga tong sabihin nating ready. Okay? Or sabihin nating marami ng lesson learned, no? Na nangyari. Four of Wands is here. Four of Wands, this is stability. This is long-term connection for some of you. Some of you, meron ditong sisimula ngayong May. Some of you, ikaw itong enter sa isang strong connection or like romantic connection this coming May. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Cups. There's someone. Some of you, there could be age gap, age difference. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung mas bata or maybe they are. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Could be water sign. We have here Aries and fire sign. So, anong meron? Here they come. Here they come. Knight of Swords. Knight. I don't know, some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong talagang mamimili. Hindi yung para magmadali. Okay? Kasi ikaw itong, yeah, I've been through marami ng challenges, no? Been through a lot pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, some of you. So, parang trained ka na. Parang ganon. Now, I'm seeing here some of you, merong dalawang energies coming in this month of May. Okay? Yeah, the world. This is it, pansit. Oo. So, this is like, yeah. The Hierophant. The Six of Wands. Wow. Wow. So, this is sabihin natin may chance ng long term. May chance ng long term. Okay? Kasi, the Fool in reverse, that's somebody na talagang alam na kung ano yung mga susunod na gagawin. Alam na kung magsesettle ba sa ganito or what. Alam na yung mga mali. Alam na yung mga kailangang iwasan. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Yeah, the Hanged One in reverse, the Page of Swords in reverse. Yeah, marami ka na kasing sabihin nating napagdaanan. So, hindi na ako para dumaan sa sitwasyon na parang playtime lang. Okay? Some of you, you're ready na mag-enter na sa long-term connection or sabihin nating strong connection with somebody. And I think some of you ibibigay sa'yo this May. Yes. I'm so happy for you, Libra. Kung ganito man. Yeah. Completion. The world, acceptance, some of you. Nandun yung energy na parang i-accept ka rin nung tao. Kung ano man ang meron sa past mo. Ay, this is nice. Yeah. May chance rin dito ha. Kung sino man tong paparating na to, this is sabihin nating mabilis. Hindi mo akalain. Yeah. Hindi ka mag-iisip ng, ay baka siya na yon. Anyway. Yeah, the Hierophant. Hierophant, Four of Wands. Hello. Pwede tong may kasal na. Pwede nang may mangyari ditong kasal sa iba sa inyo. Okay, so let's see. Pagdating naman sa mga singles. Single Libra, what's for you this month of May? What's for you, Libra placements? Libra. Okay. Libra. The Eight of Swords. Singles. Single Libra, Eight of Swords. Why? You're stuck. Some of you. Ano tong gumugulo sa isip nyo? Next. The Four of Cups. Some of you, meron ditong nangihinayang. Nangihinayang. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Andun yung energy ng the one that got away. Yeah. You're stuck. Ang daming what ifs. Ang daming tanong. Seven of Wands, you're blocking your energy pagdating sa love, if ever. Okay, the Seven of Wands, the Five of Swords. Kung ikaw to na single Libra na parang hindi pa rin talaga maka-move on, maka-get over, no, sa mga stressful na nangyari sa mga kakonect, then ikaw mismo yung sumasabotay sa sarili mong energy pagdating sa love. You're blocking the blessing. Oh. Opo. You're blocking. Oh, see? May chance merong paparating. And this is natatrap or sabihin nating bumabagal. Imbes na papasok na. Imbes na may enter na sa energy mo. nababagalan or sabihin nating bumabagal because of this overthinking, this panghihinayang from somebody, for somebody sa past mo. Okay, you're blocking it. You're saying no. No, I don't like this. Or, frequency mo saying, I don't need this. Kasi mas gusto ko pa yung past or whatsoever. Or sabihin natin, I'm not totally healed. Or, meron akong galit sa sarili ko, sa puso ko, whatsoever. Okay, so yun ang mga blockages, if ever. Okay? Singles. Yeah, I'm talking to single Libras. Ha? The High Priestess. This is evaluation, realizations. Think kung ano mga kailangan mong ialis. And some of you have to meditate. You have to meditate, the sun. Kung kailangan mo lumabas-labas together with your friends, do it. Okay? Or energetically, kailangan mong ialis yung sarili mo sa pagiging trap. Sa pagiging stuck. Singles, wake up. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Yeah, the moon in reverse, the 10 of, oh yes. This is blockages, shouting, screaming. Bakit niya nagawa sa akin yun? Bakit ganito? Ay, ayoko na sigurong pumasok sa isang relasyon kasi baka mamaya ganito na naman. Yeah. Ayoko na. Nahihirapan ako. Mamaya masaktan na naman ako. Whatsoever. Ito yun. Okay? You're blocking your own energies. So, the Higher Priestess, the Star. Yeah, you're not healed. Opo. So, you have to heal. Singles, you have to heal. Kasi kung hindi, may papasok ba? Wala. This is your past. Shouting. This is your past. Seven of Cups in reverse, the Ten of Swords. Sana ako pa rin, sana mahal pa rin niya ako, mahal pa rin kaya niya ako, babalikan pa rin kaya niya ako, whatsoever. You're blocking your energy in love. Blocking the past, blocking the new. If ever. Okay? Yeah. Walang pipiliin yun. Walang pipiliin. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Nagiging unfair ka na sa sarili mo kung ginagawa mo to. Okay? Kailangan mo to. The sun. Some of you, kailangan mo lumabas-labas ng bahay. Kailangan mong maarawan yung iba sa inyo. Oo. Baka mamaya, puro ka lang nasa bahay. Nagmumukmuk ka. Parang ganon. Ilagay mo yung sarili mo sa masaya. Okay, wag mo ikulong yung sarili mo. Maawa ka naman, ha? Kinawawa ka na nga nung kung sino man, tapos kakauwain mo pa yung sarili mo. Yeah. Paano yun? Durog na ka nun eh. Ha? Durog ka nun. See the justice. Bigyan mong hostesya, ha? Yung sarili mo. This is you. This is you. Wag mong lagyan ng piring yung sarili mo. Okay? Huwag mong lagyan ng piring yung mata mo sa mga bagay na kailangan mong makita at malaman. Okay? May mga mali, may mga imbalance na nangyayari pero hindi mo yun pinapansin. Anyway, so let's go na sa all signs. So, separate video about sa person on your mind. Okay? Separate video po tayo dun. So, Aries through Pisces, what's for you? What's for you? Oo, tingnan natin. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with, Libra placements. Aries, okay, you have to isolate yourself from them. Or maybe they are isolating themselves from you. I'm hearing stalking. Kahit hindi sila nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Taurus, they want connection. They want you. Yeah, they want connection with you, I think. Gemini, they're saying no. Or you have to say no with this Gemini. To this Gemini. Cancer, they want you. They need you. Pero there's this blockages. There's this tension. Okay, Leo, they're waiting for you. Thinking of you. Virgo, no effort. Wala silang kakayanan. I don't know why. Itong si Virgo. Pero gusto nila ng connection with you. Libra, burden. Yeah, ang daming pasakit, ang daming pasanin ni Libra. So, some of you, kailangan mo nang mag-no or i-block kung ano man yung mga ibinibigay na burdens nitong Libra na to, or maybe ikaw yon. Okay? Scorpio, tina-treasure ka ni Scorpio. Si Scorpio parang dumating sa puntong gusto niya kanya ka lang. Yeah. Sagittarius, okay, still attached. Hindi pa rin totally nag-end kung anong meron sa inyo. Capricorn, they bitter. They are bitter. I don't know. Kasi iba sa kanila, may chance na wala silang ginagawang effort or way papunta sa'yo. Pero they like you, I guess. Yeah, I guess they like you. Aquarius, they want connection. They want relationship with you. Pisces, okay, there's this energy of decision making. Okay? Kung ano man ang decision mo, parang they know the limits. They know the boundaries. Kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.